大家好，欢迎来到我的频道。今天的主题影片呢是《生活大爆炸》The Big Bang Theory。这是一部非常流行的影片，然后大家有兴趣可以去看一下。从中呢，你应该可以学到很多和科学相关的英语名词。然后以下选段呢是 Sheldon 和 Amy 那个结婚的片段。
Sheldon, when I was a little girl, I used to dream about my wedding, but
eventually，这是一个副词，表示最终。然后呢，它可以用在句子的前面，也可以用在句子的后面。用在前面的话呢，你一定要加个逗号，然后用在后面呢是不用的。然后看一下我这里举的这个例子 ：My dream will come true eventually. My dream will come true eventually. 我的梦想终将实现。
I stopped because I thought that day would never come. And then I met you. From the first moment in that coffee shop, I knew that there was something special between us. Even though I did work on a study that disproved love at first sight.
一起来看一下下面这个句子 Even though I did work on a study that disproves love at first sight. 这个 did 是这起强调的作用，然后 study 后面那一串东西是一个定语从句，就是修饰 study。因为这个 study 是什么呢？就是用来反驳一见钟情的。然后 at first sight 表示第一眼的意思，就是一见钟情。
I loved that study the moment I read it. Ironic, huh?
Ironic 讽刺的是一个形容词，个人觉得这个词还是很常见的。然后呢，拓展一下它的名词形式呢，就是 irony， 然后不要和那个 iron 搞乱了。iron 呢是铁的意思。
Clearly, it was wrong. Because I felt something that day, and those feelings have only gotten stronger with time. I can't imagine loving you more than I do right now, but I felt that way yesterday, and the day before yesterday, and the day before that.
Is that growth linear or accelerated?
Growth linear 线性增长的。然后注意一下这个 linear 呢，它是一个形容词而不是一个名词。举个例子 linear function 线性方程。下面它也提到了 accelerating， 然后 accelerating 的动词形式呢就是 accelerate 加速。说起加速增长的方程的话，那么就是指数方程了吧？那就是 exponential function。
Accelerating.
Oh, maybe we could graph it out.
Save something for the honeymoon.
Smart.
Sheldon, I don't know what the future holds, but I know that I've never been happier than I am in this moment marrying you.
Well, that was unexpectedly beautiful. I might need a minute.
Amy. I usually know exactly what to say. But in this moment, I have no words. I guess I'm overwhelmed by you.
Overwhelmed 不知所措的，这是一个形容词。举个例子 I am overwhelmed by the difficult homework. 我被这么难的作业搞得不知所措。这个词是非常常见的。
In a good way. Not in the elevator in the haunted mansion way.
Haunted 形容词，闹鬼的，满面愁容的。如果表示闹鬼的话，就比如说 a haunted house， 这就是一个闹鬼的房子。 然后呢，如果是满面愁容的话，就是 There was a haunted look in his face. There was a haunted look in his face. 他满面愁容。
Even if I can't tell you now how I feel, I will spend my life showing you how much I love you.
Do you? Do you?
Hey, I'm just saying I'm here if you need me to step in.
Step in, 干预。
No. I got this. Amy, do you take Sheldon for your lawful wedded husband?
I do.
And Sheldon, same thing.
I do.
And by the power vested in me,
Vest， 它有2个意思。第一个呢就是名词，表示背心，然后第二个呢是授予，然后这里的句子就是授予的意思。By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. 根据我被授予的权利，我现在宣布你们是合法夫妻了。
by evenyoucanperformweddings.com, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
At last, my love has come along.